Hello, and today we're going to be converting an octal number to a binary number. So let's get into it. So to convert an octal number to a binary number, you need to know what the octal numbers are. As you can probably tell by the name, octal is a synonym of 8, which means the octal number series has 8 different digits, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So these 8 numbers that I have listed out here make up the octal number series. Now, what have you been waiting for? So let's take an octal number. It's going to be 147. Now, if 147 was my octal number, which I will use as an example in this case, I will need to break up the number into 3 different groups. Each group will only have one number, which means that my first group is going to be 1, my second group is going to be 4, and my third group is going to be 7. Now that I've listed out my octal number in separate groups, I need to convert them to binary. So let's take 7 for example. 7 firstly, I need to make a table underneath 7. The table, it's going to be 1, 2, and 4. Now, I need to check which combinations of adding these 3 numbers will give me 7. Is 4 equal to 7? No. Is 4 plus 2 equal to 7? No, that's 6. Is 4 plus 1 equal to 7? No, that's 5. So I can take all 3 of these numbers because 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now, whichever numbers I've used to make up this number I have up here will be a 1. If I've not used a number, then it will be a 0, which I'll later show you. So I used a 1 to make it a 7, so I put a 1 here. I used a 2 to make it a 7, so I put a 1 here. And I used a 4 to make a 7, so I put a 1 here. So this is the first part of my binary number. Second part is the number 4. Make the same table, 4, 2, and 1. And now, from the left, we need to check which numbers, if we add them together, will give us the number 4. Now, you might say, oh, 4 is equal to 4. So then we don't need the other numbers like 2 or 1. And if you said that, you would be correct. Because you don't need 2 or a 1 to use in an equation to make this number 4, you can put a 0 beneath both of them. But because you used your 4 in this equation to get a 4, you put a 1 underneath it. So the second part of my binary number would be 100. Now, for the final part of my binary number, make the same table again. 4, 2, and 1. Now, as you can probably tell again, you don't need a 4 to make a 1. You don't need a 2 to make a 1, but if you only use this one right here, you can get the 1, which means that since you don't need the 2 and you don't need the 4, a 0 will go beneath the both of them, and a 1 will go beneath the 1, which means that my whole number is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now, this is a 9-digit number, but in binary, the one we're going to be using is an 8-bit number, which means the digit most to the left, which in this case is this 0, shall be cut out, which means the octal number 147 in its binary form is equal to this 011001111. Thank you.